Okay, so first we're going to click on the HTML toolkit and open that up. Once we have our HTML toolkit open, we'll go over to the file. Open. In here, we have my business text file. I'm going to open that up. So, for part 1 of session 1, my text file shows the name of my company, which is Bad Decisions Tequila, because I'm doing a tequila company. And then my location. And then from my location, then it's kind of like my slogan for when you first see my page. And then next, I go into giving a little description that eventually go into the whole about me portion of my page. When it was founded, how it got started, why I started the business, a little razzle dazzle. Every villain got their origin story. And, my tequila company is how most people start. Then I have my products that'll be on my site, which is my tequila. I have different types of tequila. You have the signature, which is Bad Decisions. There's 3 different types of that one. Then I also have one that's called No Regrets. And then I have one Blackout, which that's black licorice. And then I have the limited editions, which I have 3 different ones. For the limited editions, with the fancy box. Ka-chow! And then at the bottom down here, I have my copyright, which basically is the name of my company, Bad Decisions Tequila. Year 2022, my name, and then the course, 415 Alpha. So, yeah, that is part 1. Now for part 2, let me get that. So for part 2, we're gonna go in the edit. Not edit. Delusional. Preview in the browser. Oh, wait. Before I preview it in the browser, the key thing is before you preview it in like a browser on like Safari, Internet Explorer, Edge, Google Chrome, you want to make sure that you preview it in the area here. So you're going to click on preview and it will give you a display. Make sure you have everything lined up because I ain't even go front. I forgot to check this at one point and my paragraphs were jacked up because when it displayed on the internet, it was just one sentence, and so I had to go back to the edit page and like actually break it up and put a certain amount of words on each line so that it'll display correctly, because if not, it'll just be a run-on sentence with no wraparound. So once I checked my preview here and made the adjustments in my edit, then I went to view in the browser, preview in the browser, onto the default, which I always check Internet Explorer. What do I have on? 75. Let me transfer it to 100. So it displays exactly how it would display when I did my preview. So I like that, because it's not doing a complete run-on all the way and you gotta keep scrolling to the right to read my paragraph. So it's fine for now. It'll get better. So that one was Internet Explorer, and then I also needed to check on the second one. So I'll go to view, preview, and then I'm gonna do Chrome. Chrome might look a little tad bit different, because on Chrome I do have it in dark mode. So just pre-warning as that's loading. Bam. So this is what my text file looks like, and my website so far, it looks how I want it to look with my copyright right here. But eventually my copyright will end up at the bottom of the page when I add my codes into it. But it's just a simple thing. And that's pretty much it for this time. When you like compare the two, it just honestly depends on like your settings on each of your browser, but mostly they're pretty neck and neck of how I wanted my stuff displayed. So I guess